So in this video, we're going to look at probably the most complicated part of the maintenance of this spreadsheet, and that's changing a few of the formulas. Because if we go along here now, what we can see is because we've added new columns to the sheets, our formulas here now need to be changed. So let's have a look at these and figure out what needs to actually happen here. So at the moment, this is saying we want to match O2, which is this unique key here. We want to match it with the supervisor form O. So let's go to the supervisor form and look at column O. Now that is clearly wrong because O now is the dates because we've added these two columns. The actual column that we want is column S, which is the unique key. This is what we want to match. So what we need to do is go back to the form responses and we're going to change the O to now S. So we need to change it on this one, and then we need to go over and we need to change it on these two as well, because these two are referring to the supervisor form. So let's change the O there to an S, and finally this one here to an S. And then what we can do is we can take these and we can copy these down. Okay, so now you can see that those have been brought in and our flags have all been populated. So every time you add a new service, so service 4, you would need to come back to the supervisor form and see where the unique key is. So whichever column the unique key is, you will then need to change the formulas for these 3 columns on row 2 and then copy those down. So the next time this will need to change. In the next video, what we're going to do is test this and just make sure that we're going to enter some test data to make sure that everything is working for service 3 correctly.